White Cabbage Stew with Mettwurst. Simple, honest, and utterly delicious. Today, we're crafting the ultimate comfort food, a rustic white cabbage stew with smoky Mettwurst. Simple, humble ingredients, the foundation of any great one-pot meal. We start by dicing a large onion. A fine dice means it will melt into the background. Smoked bacon lardons, rendered until they're just beginning to crisp at the edges. A firm white cabbage, we'll chop it rough and ready. This is rustic food. Waxy potatoes, cubed. They'll hold their shape beautifully during the slow simmer. Into our preheated pot, a little butter.
The onions go in first to soften and become sweet.
Followed by those smoky bacon lardons. This is where the soul of the stew is born.
Let them sweat together for a few minutes until the kitchen smells like heaven.
In goes the star of the show, all that glorious cabbage.
Give it a good stir and let it begin to wilt.
And now the potatoes. They'll soak up all that wonderful flavor.
A generous pour of good quality broth. It should just kiss the top of the vegetables.
A bay leaf for depth and a pinch of caraway seeds. They're a cabbage's best friend.
On goes the lid, and we lower the heat to a gentle murmur. For 25 minutes, we let it simmer. The vegetables soften, the flavors meld. Time to check. The cabbage should be tender, the potatoes just yielding to a knife. Now for the pièce de résistance, the Mettwurst, smoked garlicky pork sausages.
Nestle them in whole so they gently warm through and impart their smoky flavor to the broth.
Back on the lid, just for 10 minutes. Gentle does it. And there it is, a perfect one-pot meal. Lift out the Mettwurst and slice them on the bias to reveal that perfect juicy center.
Ladle the cabbage and potatoes into a warm, deep bowl.
Top with those glorious slices of Mettwurst and a final flourish of fresh parsley. A crack of black pepper, that's it. The spoon cuts through it like butter. White Cabbage Stew with Mettwurst. Simple, honest, and utterly delicious.